The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is the first model, based on the Hyundai Electric Global Modular Platform (EGMP), and the first product to be launched under the Ioniq brand specifically focused on electric vehicles. There are 4 trim levels available for the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5, a small electric crossover SUV, SC Standard Range, SC, Cell, and Limited. Rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive is an option for every model, with the exception of the SE Standard series. A single electric motor situated on the back axle powers the Ioniq 5 with rear-wheel drive. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 differs itself with its elegant electric vehicle design and retro-inspired style. The Ioniq 5 is well-equipped, practical, and cozy. The 350 kilowatts DC fast charging capability of the Ioniq 5 is incredible. This is the charging speed that high-end, luxury EVs like the Porsche Taycan and Lucid Air have to offer. The Ioniq 5 is an easy first step towards EV ownership, offering greater back passenger capacity than the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Volkswagen ID.4. The Ioniq 5's interior is a technological haven, complete with a digital instrument panel and plenty of environmentally friendly materials. One of the incredible features is an augmented reality head-up display that can show driving directions on the windscreen. The 5 offers plenty of front and rear passenger room thanks to its longer wheelbases than the Hyundai Palisade, a 3-row vehicle. In the limited top trims, the roomy center console moves back and forth between the front seats and offers lots of storage space. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 has a single electric motor located at the back that generates 168 horsepower. Hyundai claims that the Ioniq can reach 60 miles per hour from 5 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds thanks to the rear-wheel drive system with a long-range battery that generates 225 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. With 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque, the all-wheel drive variant has greater power.